Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a follow-up to my previous video where I showed you how to use this powerful AI video generator called InVideo. If you haven't watched that one, a link will be in the description so you can go and check that out. Because for this one, I'll quickly go over how you can manually edit the generated videos for those times when you truly want to customize the end result. Because while this AI is incredible at generating ready to use content, there are scenarios and instances where you do want to customize it further and use your own images, your own video. For example, let's say you own an online shop, an online store, and you want to make some promotional videos, but you don't know how to edit, so you decide to use InVideo instead. It generated a pretty good video. You like it, you want to use it, but it uses stock images and stock video. So you would want to be able to change those to your own videos and images so you can showcase your products, for example. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So what we're going to do is click on explore all and let's do an Instagram reel. So let's say a video showcasing winter clothes on sale. Use a fun and engaging music. For the voice, let's use a female voice. Let's just use a clear American voice, and then for subtitles, let's choose the word by word. And then let's hit continue, then generate video. So now it's asking us for more details. So what's going to be our audience? Let's do bargain hunters. Look and feel. Let's do winter, and then it's for Instagram. The prompt is fine, so let's just hit continue. So here is the result. Let's watch it.
Imagine a winter wonderland. Now imagine yourself in it. The chill in the air, the crunch of snow underfoot, and you, looking stunning in your new winter wear. Welcome to a world of cozy, stylish, and affordable winter apparel. Picture yourself in a plush faux fur coat. Feel the warmth of a chunky knit scarf, the snug comfort of a beanie. Visualize the chic elegance of a pair of leather boots. Winter doesn't have to mean compromising style for warmth. Our collection ensures you get both, without breaking the bank. So why wait? Revel in the magic of winter with our winter sale. From coats to accessories, we've got your winter wardrobe covered. And remember, the cold never bothered the well-dressed anyway.
So let's say you found that pretty good and then you want to use it. Say, yeah, it's pretty decent. I want to use it. But again, like I've said, it's all using stock images and stock videos, and then you do want to showcase your own products. So if you want to edit this manually, all you need to do is click this edit button This editing interface will then pop up. This first row is where your media is, all the photos, all the videos that is used. The next row is your script, and at the bottom is where you can upload your own media. All you need to do is click this upload button right here, and then you can upload pictures and videos. So what I'm going to do is upload a couple of videos I found so we can start replacing some of the clips. So here we go. I uploaded a few videos, and the way you replace clips is super easy. First, you want to select the clip you want to replace, and then you scroll down and you pick which one you're going to replace it with. So let's say I want to use this one. There we go. And then you can do this for any clip you want to replace. So let's just replace a few here. Let's select this and then replace it with this one, and then replace this with this one, replace this with this one, and then let's do a couple more here. This, then there we go. So we've replaced pretty much everything now. Then all you need to do is just apply. Wait for it to do the edits, replace the clips. So after like a minute or two, here is the result. Let's watch it.
Imagine a winter wonderland. Now imagine yourself in it. The chill in the air, the crunch of snow underfoot, and you, looking stunning in your new winter wear. Welcome to a world of cozy, stylish, and affordable winter apparel. Picture yourself in a plush faux fur coat. Feel the warmth of a chunky knit scarf, the snug comfort of a beanie.
And that's pretty much it. A pretty easy way to take something that is AI generated and then customize it to truly fit your needs. Everything else is AI. What we simply did was to replace the images and videos. If you want to try InVideo out, I do have a link in the description. You can go there and sign up. For a free account, you could explore and then you can decide if it's for you or not. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe because I do have more AI related content coming in the future. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time.